Hi, I'm Troy McBain. I'm one of the co-owners here at University Modified Performance. My first truck, which is actually what pretty much started University Modified, is a 1949 Ford pickup. My dad actually bought it for me when I was 13 for my birthday. And over 7 or 8 years, we built it up together. With older trucks, and especially of that era, there wasn't a lot of parts that you could just buy. We had a running joke that, all these universal parts that we bought for it, always had to be modified. So, Universally Modified is the running joke that we had, and that's how we got the name for our business. So here at University Modified Performance, we do anything from classic car modification, restoration, up to the newest high-performance mods and maintenance as well. The biggest motivator of having a shop is quality. That's how I wake up in the morning, knowing that I'm going to be putting out the best product I can every day. And it's cool that the times when a customer thinks, oh, I need to spend $10,000 in order to achieve this goal, but with our experience, more times than not, you can actually come up with a solution that is maybe even half the price of what they originally thought they needed. It just goes back to building that trust. If you're looking for a high quality service and repair work, and you don't feel like taking your high performance or high end vehicle to your standard automotive repair shop, feel free to give us a call.